Introducing steel blue boots with water protection. Whether it's on-site or on the factory floor, we're always searching for new ways to improve and evolve the work boot. That's why we set out to design the most comfortable work boots in the business. Our innovative water protection technologies deliver premium safety and comfort to reduce foot fatigue, odours and bacteria, extending the life of your work boots. The 100% waterproof soles prevent all unwanted intrusions, delivering superior grip and toughness, even in the most hazardous environments. Whilst premium water-resistant leathers, treated throughout the tanning process, and high-quality stitching, coated with seam sealing tape, prevent water from penetrating the boot. And for those who demand extra protection, special membranes built within the leather forge a truly waterproof work boot. Waterproof, water-resistant, antimicrobial, so that your feet remain dry and healthy. Water protection that can take you comfortably through the day, from the construction site to the factory floor. Capable of standing up to whatever the job throws at you, no matter the conditions. Made to the highest quality production standards and certifications, and backed by our 100% comfort guarantee. Steel blue boots with water protection. Built for comfort, made for work.